Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a healthy millet masala dosa which is perfect for weight loss and also very good for digestion. And the special part is I have started a 15 days free millet recipe series where I will share different healthy millet recipe every day. So let's get started. First take a bowl and add millet, urad dal and fenugreek seeds. Wash everything properly and soak them for 7 to 8 hours or overnight. First, we need to soak the millet, urad dal, and fenugreek seeds for 7 to 8 hours. Once they are well soaked, they will look like this. Now soak the poha for about 10 minutes. After the poha is nicely soaked, add the soaked millet mixture and poha together into a mixer jar and grind it into a smooth batter. Add a little water if needed. Cover the batter and keep it aside for 6 to 8 hours for fermentation. Once the batter is well fermented, add salt according to taste and mix it nicely. For a healthier version, I am not using Eno or baking soda. Heat a pan and add oil. Oil is little bit hot. Add mustard seeds, a pinch of hing, chana dal, curry leaves and urad dal. All ingredients are lightly sauteed. We will add the boiled potatoes and mix it. Once everything mixes well with the potatoes, we will add the spices, salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and sambar masala and coriander leaves. Mix everything well and cook for about 2 minutes. Now our dosa potato masala is ready. So let's prepare the coconut chutney. If fresh coconut is not available, you can soak desiccated coconut in milk and water. Cover it and overnight until it becomes soft. Once the coconut has soaked overnight, transfer it into a mixer jar. Some peanuts, roasted peanut, add some roasted chana dal, ginger, green chili according to your taste, and coriander leaves for green color. Coriander leaves is optional. Add salt according to your taste and curry leaves. After adding all the ingredients, grind everything into a smooth chutney like paste. Add a little water if needed. Prepare a tempering. Add oil and mustard seeds, some hings and curry leaf and dry red chili. Once the tempering is lightly cooked and change the color, pour it over the coconut chutney. Heat a dosa pan properly. Pour the batter and spread it thinly in a circular motion. Add a little butter or oil on top. Once the dosa becomes crispy, spread the potato masala filling and roll it gently. This millet masala dosa is a perfect for healthy breakfast option for weight loss. If you want to learn more healthy recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you tomorrow with day 2 of our millet recipe series. Thank you for watching Just Tasty Fit.